Breaking news, Amazon is changing the way that titles are listed on listings. And as a seller, you have to make the changes yourself and you have to know what it means. Otherwise, they're going to replace your titles and you risk getting de-indexed for a bunch of keywords. So here's what they're saying. The titles now need to be 75 characters maximum, but now there's a subtitle that you can use as well that's up to 150 characters. So all in all, you can get a lot of characters in there. But here's what I think it means, and here's how I think you should take care of it. The first thing is that you should use the main title for your keywords. I think that the way that they do and give you attribution for keywords in that main title is going to be similar to the way it was a few years ago, meaning that the title is read from a mathematical or algorithmic standpoint that we call ranking juice. This means that you're going to get credit for words you put there, and the attribution for the other sets of keywords you get will come from what you write there. So you should represent every major route or the way that people call your product, and you should try to get those all in that main title so you can get the most amount of credit for them. The secondary title, I feel, is going to be read by AI. They're going to use AI to try to give you attribution for sets of keywords that are more around the audience that's shopping, the pain point that they're trying to solve by buying your product, the use case, the features, the benefits. Now, what that means is that you don't necessarily need to take keywords and stuff them into that secondary title, but you should still try to get some secondary attribution for other routes. Now, when I say routes, it means because there's hundreds or even thousands of keywords people use to find your product when you're selling on Amazon. And people call it many different things. For example, a toiletry bag can be a bathroom bag, a shaving bag, a men's travel bag, a DOP kit, right? There's many different ways people search for different products depending on their use case or the pain point they're solving or where they're from, their experiences. So you just need to be able to mine all those keywords. That's what we're really good at. That's what Data Dive does, is it helps you find all of those different routes, all of those different keywords. Now, what I would recommend doing is taking the approach where you take all the fluff out of those titles that you currently have, save all the features, the selling points, the benefits, size, maybe it's the number of units, maybe it's the ingredients or the benefits. Try to strip that main title down so you don't lose attribution for what people are actually searching for, and put those into the subtitle now. You're going to need to test this before they force you to do it, because if you have an issue with indexing, you should revert back immediately. So the strategy I would use here is you're going to try to strip that main title down to 75 characters, the requirement they're asking. Utilize that secondary title, utilize your bullets more for those keywords that you're taking out of the title. Make sure you're not leaving anything unrepresented. Track all those keywords, those organic keyword positions in Rank Radar. So we give you that organic rank every single day next to your PPC performance, next to your SQP reports. Make sure that you don't get de-indexed and all of a sudden go from ranking number 5 to number 40. That would mean that you have an indexing issue all of a sudden and that you didn't represent that keyword well. I would revert back to that original title and try to play around with it. So these title changes need to be done iteratively. You need to be doing it now. You need to be trying different things and figuring out how to get attribution for those keywords so you don't lose your indexing. If you wait until July 27th, you're going to run into some issues where they're going to replace your title with an AI generated one. And believe me, Amazon does not know all those secondary, tertiary keywords the same way you do by using Data Dive. So they're just going to leave stuff out, and you're going to have indexing issues. You're going to have ranks that fall. You're going to have less traffic. You're going to have less sales. You are going to struggle. Now, what this means for you, though, is if you're well prepared, a lot of competitors are going to have those issues too. So you can potentially take a lot of market share moving forward. You may be ranking number 15 or 20 on a keyword, and all of a sudden you wake up on July 27th when this takes place and you're number 8. So be prepared to take advantage, get out ahead of it, test those titles, start stripping out the extra fluff, get the fluff and the benefits, the features, all of those other keywords that people are looking for, those buying triggers people are looking for, the pain points into the secondary title that they're giving you now. This is a really big change, guys. And if you have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of products like we do, it's something that's going to take a lot of time. Now, the good news also is that at Data Dive, we're working on some solutions to try to help you. We're trying to figure out how to automate some of these from your master keyword list so that we can help you get suggestions on some of these new titles. But we've always recommended not going and just changing everything with a more mathematical or a better title, simply because you can, because you've mined all those keywords with Data Dive, because of de-indexing issues. You want to make one small change at a time. So go to your title, take out like 1 or 2 things that are fluff, see what happens. Take out 1 or 2 things that are fluff, see what happens. Try to work your way down to that 75 characters and then start utilizing that secondary title to replace anything in there that you're taking out. Do it a little bit at a time, track your keywords, and you'll stay out ahead of it, and you'll end up coming out on the other end better than your competitors, especially if you're using Data Dive. So major change coming down the pipeline. Make sure you guys are out ahead of it. Ask any questions you need below. We're going to be staying on top of this and reporting on what's working for us as well. Again, we have 450 products. We're going to do $25 million this year. Hopefully this leads us to a better position than our competitors, especially since we're up against a lot of major brands that are going to get flipped, likely because they don't have as sophisticated of a manager, or they're just relying on Amazon. We'll see what happens. Hopefully this works out better for all of us. Take care.